Have you ever heard a tune you wanted to play, but when you went to your instrument, you couldn't figure out the notes? This video will get you started on the road to playing any tune by ear. Hey there, this is Ruth Rowland with the first video in my Play by Ear series. In this series, we'll be learning what to listen for when you go to learn a song by ear. Playing by ear is when you hear a tune either out of your imagination or on an audio track, and you figure out how to play it without using sheet music, without anybody telling you which finger numbers to use, just by how it sounds. The first step to playing by ear is to be able to tell whether two separate sounds are the same or different. One way to do this is by singing the words to Happy Birthday to those notes. Let me show you what I mean. So I have this note and this note. Are they the same or different? Happy. That doesn't sound like it's happy birthday. One more. Happy. That has potential. Happy birthday. Yes. So those two notes work. Another way is to put your hand in front of your throat and sing those same two notes. La, la. And if you can feel where your voice box is, feel whether it's at the same level or at a different level. And this is a bit tricky. But you can do it because your voice box moves to different heights depending on what note you're singing. If you're having trouble matching your voice to the notes you hear, that's a different issue. You're not alone, and I can help you. Leave a comment down below, or for a less public way of letting me know, you can visit my website and email me directly. I can try to do a video on it, but the easiest way for me to help with that is for us to get together, and we can do that online, and for me to actually hear what's going on when you sing. But often we just need practice, and so repeating the exercise will be enough to get you the necessary improvement. All right, so we're going to try a little game. I'm going to play two separate notes, the same two notes, twice. And you can either write down or just determine for yourself whether they're the same or different. I'm going to put superscript up above whether they're the same or different. And for you to check yourself, if you don't want to see the answer, arrange your screen so that the top part is not visible. Okay, here goes. How did that go? Let's try this on a tune. Eventually, we want to be able to do this on any tune, but let's start with Mary Had a Little Lamb. If you don't already know the tune, hit pause, find someone to teach it to you, or look it up online, and then come back and hit play. Let's just start with the first two notes. Mary, Mary. Are they the same or different? Let's do the happy birthday test. Happy, happy, happy birthday. I don't think it works. Let's do the throat test. Mary. I felt my voice box drop, which means the note was lower. And we'll talk about what that means in another video. Let's try the end of what the little excerpt that I played. Little lamb. Let's just do the words little. Little, little. Same or different? Happy, happy. Happy birthday. I really could do happy birthday from that. And the throat test. Little, little. And my voice box stayed pretty much at the same level. Actually, it felt like it was exactly the same level. It just went in and out. The voice box test can be a bit tricky, but especially if you're uncertain about the singing aspect, it's always a place to start. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Next time, we'll talk about hearing whether the music goes up or down, higher or lower, and what that means for your instrument. Let me know below in the comments whether this was helpful for you, and what else you would like to learn. All right, see you next time.